Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Chrome OS Flex. Chrome OS Flex is a free version of Chrome OS primarily meant for older PCs, laptops, and MacBooks used by businesses and schools that are now too slow to run Windows or macOS properly. Open Google Chrome on your Windows, go to the Chrome Web Store. Install the Chromebook recovery utility by clicking the Add to Chrome button. Open Chromebook Recovery Utility. Click on the Recovery Utility from the extension panel in Chrome. Click Get Started in the dialog box that pops up. You'll be prompted to enter your Chromebook model. Click Continue to head over to the next step. Now need to select the USB drive from the drop-down menu. Click Create Now to start building the installation drive. After creating the bootable USB, it's time to head over to your old PC or MacBook on which you want to install Chrome OS Flex. Depending on how old the machine is, you might need to jump into the BIOS settings for this. For a PC, the boot key is usually F1, F2, F9, F12, Delete, or Escape button. For a Mac, it's the Option key. Click on Get Started on the Welcome page. Select Install Cloud Ready 2.0 from the installation menu, followed by Next. Depending on the age and specs of your PC or laptop, the process can take a while. It will also reboot during the installation. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.